Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Aspect, and today we are going to be looking through the new Season 17 things. So, yeah. So, first up, let's real quick look at the Battle Pass. We got like a Ryan skin. Pretty cool. That's actually really cool. It looks like Rivals. And then, just these like normal things. Oh, highlight intro. That's a pretty cool one. Or should I say, that's rad. Okay. Um, Yep, it's pretty basic stuff for the in-between stuff, the coins that we've come to expect. Okay. Um, these just pretty basic stuff. And then Delinquent Core. Pretty cool, I guess. It's interesting. Junkrat, like tinkering, I guess. Um, Pretty basic stuff. Yeah, just because it's the in-between levels. Like, what do you really want or expect, even? Just that. um, that's pretty cool. Yeah, basic, basic. But then, whoa, that's so cool. That's actually really cool. I like the particle things. They're nice. Should I? Yeah, that's relatable. I finished school. This was my last day of school. So yeah. Uh no more school for me. Oh, that's actually sick. We need a Sakura Genji skin. I'll literally make Oh, that's sick. I'll literally make concept art. Maybe not, but maybe. This is sick. Oh my. I'm so excited to get this. Look at this, guys. That's sick. Then class dismissed. Yeah. Basic stuff here again. What? No, not this. What is this? Okay. Sophomore. That's pretty cool. Okay, and then the skin I'm most excited for is this. It's so cool. And by the way, Genji, yeah, we did have homework. It's subscribing. Anyways, let's watch the launch trailer. I have already seen this, but let's just watch it for fun. So, if you're excited for Squid Game Season 3, subscribe. I'm really excited. It's coming out at 3 a.m. for me, so I don't get to watch it as soon as it comes out, but pretty soon, hopefully. Just like 6 hours after, so. Junkrat. Also, I tried making my first cinematic edit. It's a short. You should definitely watch it. It's sick. It's not that cool, but I liked it. I thought it was pretty good, so.
Hey, this is not part of my programming. Class dismissed. Overdrive activated. Final upgrades inbound.
Yeah, so that's just a look at a bunch of skins we're gonna get, and I guess maybe these people are coming to Stadium. I honestly have no clue. But the those look pretty cool. Oh, that's sick. Okay. Wait, what was that Genji skin? Hold up, I didn't notice that Genji skin the first time I watched this. Wait. Genji filter Season 17. Hold up. What? Oh, oops. Let's watch that again, guys. Can I like skip ahead? No? I'll just cut this bit out for you guys.
Lost. I'm alive. Now we play in my world. Selecting upgrades to match new user. I think a level up is in order. How did you get in here? Don't touch that. Hey, this is not part of my programming. Class dismissed. Overdrive activated. Final upgrades inbound. You have unlocked the privilege to annihilate. Leaving so soon.
What is that Genji skin, bro? What is that? Why can't I see it? That's so cool. Okay. Okay. Next up, we got this G.I. Joe skin. Is that the Genji skin? That's the Genji skin. That's sick. Okay. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my. Okay. That's really cool.
Cobra forces have stormed
Cobra
Midtown.
Commander.
Their sights set on
Destro.
total domination.
Cool. Oh, I'm gonna lose so much money on this, bro. Oh, that's so cool, bro.
And ready to strike back.
Oh my, this season looks great.
I will avenge this insult.
I'm going to make you wish you'd never seen me.
Okay, bro.
Will Cobra rise, or will the Joes turn the tide?
The
The
Joes.
fate of the world hangs in the balance. As the saying goes, knowing is half the battle.
No, it's available July 1st. I'm not gonna be at home July 1st. Okay, whatever. Okay, so that looks like that's the season 17. It looks great, and I hope you enjoy it too. See ya.